Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I was getting ready and I thought why not I give you a very easy breezy beginner smoky eye tutorial. Guys, if you watch this you will start doing the smoky eye like a pro, believe, which will be a heaven, a holy grail for all you beginner babies out there. So I have done blunders, believe me, while doing smoky eyes. So I thought why not all my beginner friends learn a bit or two from my mistakes. So I'll take you to the journey of smooth smoky eyes, which you guys can do like a pro. So yeah, I'm looking a little weird because I'm done with my base, my foundation, and my concealer and my eyebrows. I just need to do my eyeshadow and my contouring and stuff. So let's start with the eyes. So I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer on my eyelids because I'm not too fond of eye primers, guys. And just blend this your concealer or your eye primer out. And just powder it as well. So guys, if you want your eyes to appear as if done by a pro, I've got a hack for you. Take any kind of sticky notes and tear and place it where your eyebrows end. So now I'm done with my sticky notes and I'm going to regret that. You'll see. Just letting you know. And I'm now taking my Maybelline Colossal Kajal and placing it on my lower waterline. You guys can take any Kajal you have, pencil, roll on, no matter what, or gel based Kajal. Honestly, gel based Kajals are better for a black smoky eye per se, but whatever you have, guys, whatever you guys are comfortable with. So now you can see I'm placing it closely to my upper lash line, and creating a V on the outer corner where my crease and my lash line meet. Guys, don't go all crazy, just go till the mid part of your lid because we are going to smoke it out and we need some space for that on the lid. So you don't have to be very careful, you can just place this color and then you need to blend it out. You can use your brush, but I trust my good old fingers for that. They do the job very nicely. So I'm gonna blend all of the color out and you can see I'm done with that and I kind of like it. So after doing that, I'm going to take my Sephora palette, thanks to one of my best friend who had gifted this to me, and I'm taking that beautiful brown color on my fluffy blending brush and blending it all in out. I've placed the color on the crease and now I'm blending it all out. As you can see, I'm repeating the same step on my other eye as well. So because I wanted to show you exactly how much time it will take, now you can see I've blended it all out. Now I'm taking this beautiful flesh tone color and placing it above my crease and again blending all the two colors, all the two browns. I am now taking this beautiful black matte shade from Deborah Milano and taking a flat brush because I want to pat the color on my already previously placed black color. Yes, I told you I'm going to regret these sticky notes, guys. What to do, such as life. So I'm basically patting that black color on my previously placed black kajal. I'm packing it till my heart's desire. So guys, yeah, these sticky notes are tell you, but I really don't, you can use tape, but I really don't like the tapes because they're a little harsh on my face. But so I use the sticky notes, but as they say, each to their own. You can use the tape. They are there to basically give you guidelines as to till where you can blow out your smoky eyes, because sometimes we go a little crazy and end up with panda eyes, and that is exactly what we are trying to avoid here. So yes guys, please blend all the three colors there so that there is no harsh line. So you can see there is a very good gradient effect going on. The lower to see, first we have this black color on the lash line, then we have that beautiful brown color, and then we have that flesh tone beige brown color. So it is creating a beautiful smoky and a gradient effect on our eyes, which is really something a heart desire. The is going over our crease. All we need to do is, once we've placed these colors, blend it all out. Now you can see from the same Deborah Milano palette, I'm taking a highlighter shade and placing it on my inner corners and over the high part of my brows. So it basically defines your smoky eye further, and on the inner corners we need this lighter shade because sometimes smoky eye, because it's a darker shade, makes your eyes very small. So this pop of color kind of brightens your eye. So now I have taken out my sticky tape, and you can see it has created a very nice and a very subtle shape to my eye. And I've done the similar, whatever I've done on my upper eyelid, I'm doing the same on my lower lid. So yeah, now I'm pretty happy with what I've done, and I'm dancing it away and posing for you guys. So I thought I'll give you a close up. So guys, if you like my look, then please hit the like button and share and subscribe to my video. It'll mean a world to me, and thanks for watching.